If you're new to grilling, I got your back. In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 most common mistakes that people make when it comes to grilling and how you can avoid them in the future. So if you've ever done any of this, don't feel bad. Nobody is born a grill master. These are things that you have to learn or be taught over time. All right, let's get into it. The very first mistake I see people do is not preheating the grill. This takes 5 to 10 minutes. It's super easy. Just start your grill, close the lid, and don't do anything until the temperature hits 350 to 400 degrees. All right, mistake number 2, not cleaning your grates. Once the preheat is done, you're going to want to clean your grates with your scrub brush. Just get all the old gunk off, and you want to do the same thing when you're done cooking. Just get all the old gunk off to make sure that you're not getting any flavor transfer onto your food. All right, on to mistake number 3. I see this all the time. People are overcrowding the grill. Food gets too close together, you don't get enough airflow to go around, which leads to uneven cooking times or food sticking together. It could even be more dangerous and lead to flare-ups and other things like that. To solve this problem, all you're going to do is separate your food, give it at least an inch, maybe an inch and a half or 2 inches between each item so that you get proper airflow and you don't have any of those issues. All right, this leads right into the next mistake that people make. They're not treating their burner as if they have heating zones. So keep heating zones in mind. You're going to want 2 main zones. You're going to have your cooking and searing, and then you're going to have your finishing zone. So as you see here, I have my sausages over on the searing side, and then in order for me to finish them off, I'm going to move them over to the right side. You see the temperature is dramatically cooler on this side. This is where they're going to finish for another 5 to 7 minutes. As you can see, these came out perfectly. All right, number 5. This is actually very common as well, and I'm going to give you a bonus tip at the end of this. You're going to want to oil your food, not your grates. Oiling food before cooking helps prevent sticking, it ensures even heat distribution, and it can also enhance the flavor. As you can see here, this did not stick at all, and look at how beautiful those grill marks are. And as you remember from earlier in the video, I'm going to be utilizing my zones for cooking this steak. We'll finish cooking it there until it gets up to temp. All right, so then the question is, how do you know when it's ready? You're actually going to know by the temperature of the steak. So this goes in, 118, not quite ready yet. I'm going to pull it off around 123. All right, our steak is done cooking, and I'm going to take it inside and cut it right away. Right? Wrong. That leads us to our next mistake. All right, and bonus mistake number 6, something that I see a lot of people do because they're in a hurry to eat. If you're going to cut your meat right after you take it off the grill, you're going to lose a ton of juices and flavor. You want to let it rest for at least 5 minutes before cutting it. So while that's resting, I'm going to make some breakfast. This charbroil gas grill comes with a convenient side burner so you can make a separate sauce or an additional item to whatever you're cooking on the main side.
All right, eggs are going in. Let them cook for just a minute, and then you're going to go ahead and give them a flip.
Let's go with some salt, a little bit of pepper. Feels like camping. All right, while that's cooking, let's finish up our steak. It's been resting for a minute. Time to slice it up. Oh, cut so perfectly. Just look at that. Perfection. Hope you don't mind me cooking some breakfast in the middle of this video for you, but that is too good to let go. Hopefully these simple fixes will help you the next time that you're going to head out to the grill. My goal is to help you be more confident in the kitchen or outside cooking, so hopefully these helped you, and please let me know down in the comments below if you have any other questions related to grilling.